Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the game is updated and you're in a map with a bakery or street vendor. Once done, spawn in free roam and move toward the baker area. This is where the I Am Baguette event triggers. Make sure your goat is agile, select a slim or fast cosmetic to move quickly. Then approach the counter slowly, hold the grab button, and prepare to interact. You're initiating the sequence. Timing matters more than speed here, so be ready. Now you execute the precise grabs and nudges that coax the NPC to give up a baguette. First, align exactly with the bread display. Small offsets fail. Then perform a grab, push, and a quick release in one fluid motion. This exploits the AI script. If dialogue pops up, respond with the interact key to advance. Once the NPC drops or tosses a baguette, pick it up immediately. Otherwise, reset by backing away and reapproaching to re-trigger the animation sequence. Finish by carrying the baguette and testing any special emote or in-game text that confirms I am baguette. If the event doesn't register, don't panic. Reload the map, respawn the NPC, and repeat the grab/push sequence. Desynchronization is common. Make sure no other mods alter NPC behavior. Disable mods if needed. As a last resort, use safe console commands to respawn items, but only when repeated normal attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.